and I'm Nick Martin, and this is Mr. Rasmussen's chemistry first period class.
So in chapter 1 we learned what chemistry is, and chemistry is the study of the composition of matter and the changes that matter undergoes. In chapter 2 we learned about solid, liquid, and gas. So solids pack closely together, liquid particles are close together, but they are free to flow past one another, and the gases are far apart and can freely move past one another. In chapter 3 we learned about density, the ratio of the mass of an object to its volume. So like an example that Mr. Rasmussen gave, I don't think it was for chemistry, but it was last year, was a ping pong ball, how it floats on water, and then like a golf ball would sink. Chapter 4 we learned about atomic mass, and to calculate the atomic mass of an element you have to multiply the mass of each isotope by its natural abundance expressed as decimals, and then add the product. In chapter 5 we learned about light, and the frequencies and wavelengths of light waves are inversely related. As the wavelengths increase, the frequency decrease, and vice versa. In chapter 6 we learned about the periodic table, and Mr. Rasmussen has his Mendeleev song for that one, because he's the first one that came up with the periodic table. And then there's the 3 classes of elements, which are metals, which are conductors of heat and electricity current. And then there's nonmetals. They're poor conductors of heat and electricity current. And then metalloids generally has properties that are similar to those of nonmetals and metals.
Alright, on to chapter 7, Ionic and metallic bonding. There's something called an octet rule, in which atoms of metals lose electrons, leaving the complete octet in the next lowest energy level. Atoms of nonmetals share or gain electrons with other nonmetals to complete an octet. Chapter 8, molecular compounds. There's something called molecular orbitals. Molecular orbital is when 2 atoms combine, and this assumes that their atomic orbital overlaps to produce a molecular orbital. Chapter 9, chemical and formulas. Anions and cations. The difference between an anion and cation is cations are positive and anions are negative. Chapter 10 would be chemical quantities, measuring matter. If you measure matter, you either use counting or measuring by mass or volume. Chapter 11, chemical reactions. When you write a chemical equation, the reactants are on the left and the products will be on the right in the formula. And then chapter 12, stoichiometry, the worst subject ever, to be honest. A balanced chemical equation provides the same kind of quantitative information like a recipe does. For example, a cookie recipe, the ingredients will be considered the reactants, and the cookies are the products.
Good job. Clap it out. Nice job.
Be up here.